Hi, I'm Wang with Constellation Research, and I'm here to tell you that your plumbing is showing. Let's be honest, don't feel bad. You didn't build a bad system. It wasn't your fault. You did what you needed to do, but you secretly know that the system no longer supports the business. In fact, it's holding everyone back. It's stagnating the business. Every time you try to launch a new product, service, experience, or outcome, the plumbing shows. Do you feel the pain when you try to launch bundled offers or segment pricing because IT has to hard code it? Do you feel the pain when finance needs visibility and clean audit trails, but instead has fragmented spreadsheets and reconciliation workarounds? Do you feel the pain when engineering is spending weeks keeping billing logic duct-taped instead of building new value? Everyone feels the pain, but only IT can fix it. Something has changed. This is why CIOs and CTOs are now the ones driving billing replacement. They're not waiting for ERP transformation. They're not building another custom patch. They're moving to a platform that can actually support how their business grows. But wait, it's more than billing. You need infrastructure that handles it all. It's pricing, it's packaging, it's storefronts, it's CPQ, it's payments, it's revenue recognition. The entire journey from defining the offer to recognizing revenue. These aren't one-offs. You don't just handle exceptions, as these exceptions are now the norm. You have to handle it at scale, across teams, without replatforming every 18 months. You can't hide the plumbing. You've outgrown what you built. The duct tape is showing, and it's putting the business at risk. But you don't have to keep fixing it. There is a way out. You can replace it and lead the company into what's next. It is your moment to shine, and please take it.